AI is absolutely everywhere at the minute. And Squarespace has finally cottoned on, they've jumped on the bandwagon and they've added what is actually an excellent feature, and that is AI generative text. It will essentially take you through prompts and allow you to fill your site with text, because text and copy for a website is the most difficult thing for clients to write up, basically. I've noticed this over the years when I'm working with clients. The thing that really slows down a project is generating copy, because it's just so time consuming. It is a huge drain on the brain, and it's a creative aspect that's just really difficult for a lot of people. So what this does from Squarespace is it removes that barrier, and it allows you to spin up your site a lot quicker with a lot more meaningful text compared to the old way of doing things. So I'm going to hop on over to the screen and I'm going to take you through exactly how to use the AI generative text. Okay, so let's jump straight into it. Squarespace is really leaning into the whole AI boom at the moment. So one of the things that they've literally just rolled out is AI generative text, and this has just gone to the public now. It was confidential for a while. Now, this applies to any text block. So if you click on text, you'll see this lightning bolt here. Now, if we click this, you're going to get a prompt that says, introducing Squarespace AI beta. Now, all you need to do is accept, and now you're going to get all these prompts. So describe what you want to generate. I want to write a title that sells, let's say, pom-poms to sports teams. And let's generate that. And you can see it's actually crazy. So shake up your this is brilliant. So what we can do is insert that, get rid of the old text, and it's in. Shake up your game, elevate your team spirit with our high quality pom-poms. And then if we want to slip something beneath, we'll do generate. And let me move me out the way so you can actually read all this. So you got prompts. I've just typed in something there, but you can say craft a persuasive argument about the health benefits of pom-pom shaking. I'm just being as absurd as possible to see how good it actually is. So generate, and you can see it's got a little loading bar here that shows us how far along the generation that it is. And you can see here it's give us a huge body of text that we can insert. So really, you've got to exercise some of your own design flair, because yes, it gives you the text, but you then have to cut up the text so it looks good. So for instance, I've got all of this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this argument that it's given me, and then I'm going to have to then put that into some form of cohesive structure. The best thing to do, I think, we'll get rid of this, is put a text block in here. We'll drop this image beneath here, and we'll pop a text block here. I've added a code that makes the images a bit jumpy, so please bear with me. Okay, so I've got all the text talking about pom-poms, paste that in there, and then you've got to exercise your own sort of judgment on where this should go on your site. So now I want to give it a title. So again, we'll use generative text, write a title about pom-poms. This is probably the weirdest video I've ever made. So we'll generate that. The surprising health benefits. There we go. That's in. We're going to make that into a header. Now let's generate something else. Let's do subheading about pom-pom health benefits. So we'll insert that as well. And the annoying thing is it gives us it in speech marks, but we can get rid of those. Okay, so there we go. Then you can put your own images in. So if we double click on here, replace, again, Squarespace has got it all in one place. So we can replace, select from library, free images, and we can choose whatever we want for free. It's absolutely amazing. So if we go pom-poms, I don't know why I'm so obsessed with pom-poms, but let's put this in, and then we can see that we've got surprising health benefits of pom-poms, more than just craft supply. Got an image, and then we've basically got the text on our entire site filled out by AI.